Slow down.
Oh, okay, Andy.
Let's see the video.
Andy, the penny
it?
drop. Let's do it.
Do you have the real video?
The drop. There you go. Woo! Okay, Jen, your turn now. Jen.
We
Nope.
called up to the stage.
Jen. Okay, go out there.
Nope.
Me.
Justin, your turn. Let's go.
Alright, let's see if I can do it.
Here we go.
Like this, right?
Oh, that's pretty good.
I don't know. I gotta look at it more. I gotta study it.
Okay, Carrie.
It's like this. You start on one foot and you jump forward and then you step back.
Yeah, Jen, you can do that. I think.
You just have to slow it down.
Yeah, they're slower. You're going pretty fast. Jen, are you gonna do it?
No.